Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have question which is 2 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 32, right? And we need to solve it for x. We need to find out the value of x, right? Okay, so if you look at this question carefully, you have 2 raised to power x. Here you have x in exponent, and on the right hand side you have x in base, right? So whenever we see x in exponent, what do? We take log, right? But here we will try is to avoid log. What will we try to do? We will try to make it in this form. Whenever you see this kind of question, try to make it in this form, like something, if you can get some x raised to power x is equal to y raised to power y. I mean to say that you can get something raised to power something. Both are same, exponents and base in the left hand side and on the right hand side as well. Okay, then you can actually equate these things. Okay, how? Let us see here. So what will I do? I will take power 1 by x on both sides. So it is 32 and power 1 by x, right? Okay, what will this become? Since we know this rule that a raised to power b raised to power c can be written as a raised to power bc. That means you multiply both powers, right? So it will become 2 raised to power x times 1 by x, which will eventually become 1 x raised to power 32 times 1 by x, right? So what do we get here? We get 2 is equal to x raised to power 32 raised to power 1 by x. Then I will tell you another rule. A raised to power b raised to power c. We know it is a raised to power bc, and it is a raised to power c raised to power b. All these three things are same. We can interchange these things, both powers, right? Because eventually they will multiply, so we can write this inside 1 by x inside and 32 outside. How? 2 is equal to x raised to power 1 by x raised to power 32. So what do we get here? This is 2 is equal to this. Now if I want to remove 32 from right hand side, so what will I do? I will take the power 1 by 32 on both sides, right? So on the right hand side it will cancel out, right? Because we can multiply the powers and it will get cancelled out. And on the left hand side we have 2 raised to power 1 by 32. Now if you see this carefully, you have x raised to power 1 by x. If on the right hand side I somehow can make it 1 by x raised to power something raised to power 1 by something, like that, in the form of right hand side only. Okay, how can I do that? I have 2 raised to power 1 times 1 by 32, x raised to power 1 by x. Okay, so this 1 can be written as 2 by 2, right? It will become this 2 I will multiply with base, and this 2 I will keep here, like that, right? Okay, and left hand side it will become this 2 times 1 by 64, and right hand side will remain this only. Now it is actually 4 raised to power 1 by 64, right, is equal to x raised to power 1 by x. Now again it is 1 and we can write it as 2 by 2, right? It will become 4 square raised to power 1 by 28, x raised to power 1 by x, because we still didn't get the same thing, right? It will become 16 raised to power 1 by 28. Now again what will we do? We will again do this, and it will become 16 square is 256, and this 2 times 128 is also 156. Now you can notice that this is same now, 256 raised to power 1 by 256, and right hand side is as well x raised to power 1 by x. Now we can equate them, and after equating them we can say that x is what? X is 256, right? So I hope you understood this. In these types of question you could have directly written as 8 by 8 if you understand powers of 2, right? If you don't, you can go gradually like this only. Okay, so if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and you will get many competitive exam questions on my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.